Okay, so I've been seeing this trend on Instagram where people turn random objects into artworks. I'll put a picture right here. So today I decided I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna turn this toaster into I don't know, some sort of building, I guess, because yeah, I started by laying out the sketch in the shape of a toaster, obviously, and then I'm gonna put the bread on top, and then for the bread I'm gonna like make it as a sign saying bank. So I'm gonna be making a bank.
There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness.
And then I followed by layering down some blue for the glass.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase it.
And there you go. I used the bread as some sort of sign, I guess, saying bank.
Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be.
Add some, details like the moving people or the parking lot to the right side, and yeah, put some cars there. This is really fun. I like it. It turned out really great. Okay, so for this next one, I'm gonna be using this charger as some sort of building as well, but this time I'm gonna create like some sort of, I don't know, hotel with a swimming pool. I don't want to go all crazy with it, so let's just get creative. I honestly think this drawing like this makes your creativity just kind of, I don't know, because it's all about the shape. Because I'm taking the shape of these things and then turning them into like buildings and stuff like that. Like you can literally turn any object into something else, and then that creativity just goes a long way.
What I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.